users, welcome back. As we know, Graphina is one of the best data visualization add-ons for Elementor. It gives you graphical representation visual of your data so you and your clients can keep tabs and understand progress better. Graphina comes with more than 13 unique chart styles. So, in today's video, we are going through line chart and how to use it. Let's have a look. We have already discussed about all the primary customization options in the previous video. Open Graphina and then drag line graph to your page. Go to chart settings. Here, you have multiple options like using the drop box. You can change your lines to smooth, straight or step line. You can resize your card from here by changing values and also turn toolbar on and off. In label settings, you can turn it on by clicking on this button. You can change its color, background color, border width, border color, and much more. You can set its prefix and postfix. You can also set animation in the animation settings. You can customize speed or delay by adding value to this box. Plus, you can add your category here. You can change it from here and even add new elements from here. In Elements category, you can add your value and you can also add a new item by clicking here. That's all for line graph. Now you can add your data and see the results. To know more about Graphina, click on the I button. To get Graphina and other such products, you can go to the link in the description. Graphina, graph your destiny.